Welcome everyone to our record demo of our license plate software. Um, so my name is Saldivia. I'm here with Fred. I'm a FAU student and he's a UCF student. We decided to tackle on the license plate recognition challenge because it falls under a category that we both love. We're both very fond of machine learning and computer vision. But at the same time, we wanted to do something a little bit more extra. We wanted to add some extra features. So instead of just doing the plate recognition, we decided to incorporate a client with Twilio, which is gonna help us contact the advisors. And we are also building a web app on Flask and hosting our main machine learning model on Google Cloud. Um, but now it's going to show you how it works.
Yeah, so before we can do any of the cool computer vision and license plate detection, we have to have a mock database to have customers and have service appointments to actually pull from. So to start off, let's add Mike Jackson, the AutoNation CEO, and he's customer with ID 14. So as an AutoNation employee, Brett will be taking his oil change appointment. We're going to send that. Going to add some more customers. And yeah, so now I have a mock database that's full of some appointments, full of some customers, and next is the motion detection and computer vision part of the pipeline.
Yeah, so I will be showing you guys that. And you guys should be able to see right now what you guys are seeing is my webcam, just a normal webcam. It's plugged into my computer and it's pointing towards my second manager. And as you can see, it has a motion detection software running on the live feed, which is gonna box different cards. There are usually the ones that are moving towards the camera. So the idea is that we implemented this because we didn't want to have a live video feed requesting for each picture to be analyzed by the machine learning model, since that would be very expensive in terms of resources. Therefore, we decided that we wanted to check on the garage if a car was coming towards the camera, and that way we could tell the camera to send one or two or even three pictures of that car with the license plate in order to be analyzed on the actual model hosted on Google Cloud. Yeah.
Yeah, so once we get those images, they're going to be on the machine that our model is hosted on. Once we have those images on the machine, we can actually run this computer vision model. And this is from a paper in 2018. We've linked it in the README. It is a darknet. It's a pre-trained model. And we found a good amount of these images online of cars that I believe are used to train some of these car nets. But they make pretty good proof of case. So here we go, we've got our output PNGs. You can see this one detected 2 cars and a license plate. Got 1 car there, 1 car there, and an ambulance and another car. And then we have our plates.csv, and from this plates.csv, we can take the license plate, interface back with Flask and the SQLite database, and we can figure out who is actually in the AutoNation parking lot. So we'll go back to Postman, and we'll call this numsBack endpoint. And this is going to give us the different license plates that were seen in that batch of pictures. And depending on if it saw somebody who is an AutoNation customer, it would send a text to an advisor, or it would send a text to the customer saying you're right on time for your meeting, or you're late for your meeting, or you're early. So I just called that, and here we go. I just got a text. It says kind of hard to see, but it says, "Greeting, Brett. Mike Jackson is here for their 11:43 appointment." So 10 minutes late, but yeah, that's basically how that would work. Whenever our model detects there's a car, we use Twilio to automatically send a text to whoever needs to know that that car is there.
Yeah, definitely. Also, the computer vision model was built using the one, the motion detection that I created was using OpenCV. So that's also worth mentioning. And that should be it. I hope you guys enjoy the project. If you have any questions, don't hesitate on reaching out to both of us. Okay.
Yeah, we
Thank you so much
appreciate
for your
your
time.
time. Thank you.